In this video we will learn how to disburse final settlement in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Employee Separation module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Final Settlement Form. Select Criteria, click on Apply button. In the grid below you can see list of final settlements. Final settlement can only be disbursed when the status of request is marked approved. Click on Disburse button in action. Confirmation pop-up will appear, click on Yes button, then in the next pop-up select the year and month of final settlement disbursement. Enter remarks and then click on Save button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.